60 Wolf Lane in Richmond is the kind of Vermont home that feels thoughtful from the ground up. Modern farmhouse design, set on 1.74 acres in a desirable neighborhood on a quiet, dead-end road. Right outside your door, you've got access to nearby biking trails, and you're just minutes to Richmond Village, the iconic round church, I-89, and an easy drive to Burlington, the airport, and local ski areas. Inside, this home delivers both style and performance, with high-efficiency construction, a concrete slab foundation, and triple-pane European windows that keep the space comfortable year-round. The heart of the home is a massive open living, dining, and kitchen space, bright, airy, and designed for everyday living and entertaining. Upstairs are 3 spacious bedrooms, second-floor laundry, and a spa-like bathroom finished in marble and classic subway tile. And here's the game changer, a full accessory dwelling unit, perfect for guests, extended family, or flexible living, complete with its own kitchen, cherry floors, laundry, a steam shower, and a stunning fieldstone fireplace. This is Richmond living, elevated. Schedule your private showing at 60 Wolf Lane.